Every day, we are bombarded with facts, names, dates, concepts. We cram, we stress, and the moment the pressure is off, the data simply vanishes. What if I told you the solution isn't better focus, but better visualization?
For thousands of years, the greatest minds used a hidden architectural secret. It's called the Method of Loci, or the memory palace. It bypasses our weak short-term memory by recruiting the most powerful tool we have, spatial awareness.
Your palace is any place you know intimately, your home, your workplace, your daily commute. We map 100 distinct locations, or loci, in a strict, unchangeable order. Familiarity is the foundation of instant recall. Now, we place our facts. If the first fact is complex, we must make the image unforgettable. Don't just place it there. Make it interact, make it loud, make it bizarre. The ordinary is instantly forgettable. The absurd is permanent.
Our brains love movement and emotion. The more dramatic, shocking, or frankly disgusting your image is, the stronger the connection. Action anchors the fact to the location, creating a robust neural pathway.
Once the initial creation is done, the true trick is rehearsal. We take the mental journey rapidly, forcing the brain to transition seamlessly from one location to the next. In under 10 minutes, you can solidify 100 new data points. The test. Without the information in front of you, can you walk the palace backwards? Can you skip straight to location 47? When the spatial context is fixed, the facts simply fall into place. The result is total, instantaneous recall. This isn't just for students. Imagine walking into a high-stakes meeting, recalling 50 key client details, or presenting complex financial data without glancing at a cue card. The memory palace is the ultimate tool for professional dominance. Why does this work so well? Our evolutionary biology. The hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, is fundamentally wired for spatial navigation. We are built to remember places and hazards. The loci method simply tricks your brain into classifying data as survival geography. The power to memorize anything is not a gift. It is a skill waiting to be unlocked. Start with 5 facts and 5 locations today and transform your cognitive capacity. Please share this analysis if you found it valuable and let us know your opinion in the comments. Which facts will you conquer first?